are our champion. We want to tell you thank you. When you came to us the first day, you were doing the lecture slide. I want to let you know we're going to slide on out of here and tell you how much we appreciate you. I love you, Maria. We will miss you.
Hi, Maria. You will be greatly missed, but I know you're not going anywhere. You're still going to visit as often as you can, especially on the fun times when we have a lot of music and dancing. So good luck in your future endeavor. Love you.
Thank you, Miss Maria. Thank you, Miss Maria.
Thank you, Miss Maria. Thank you, Miss Maria.
Thank you, Miss Maria.
Miss Maria, you came on our turf for the lecture slide, but I want to let you know there's going to be a rematch at the lecture slide. I love you, sister, and I appreciate everything you've done for our center.
Bye, Miss Maria. Congratulations. We love you.
Congratulations on your new job.